Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and I have been getting a message but I haven't received it yet. I just know that this place, the place where I am right now, is supposed to be giving me a very nice, calming message and white is a significant color. So, uh, in case you are wearing a white color or you might be receiving white roses. So definitely there is peace coming in. The peace is approaching you, and I feel like I feel like you have been trying to find the peace since a long time. You have been running behind peace in your life in some particular area in your life. It can be different for different people because I am talking to a particular group of collective and this is a general generic message, but very specific to a certain kind of people. So um, white color that represents peace and you have been running behind peace for a very long time and okay, I think it can be it can be in your work life, specific to your work life. Yes, definitely. It's something specific to your career and work life that has been waking you up in middle of the nights and I'm just trying to receive your full message and this is how it is coming to me. Um, if you can hear and sense that today even this message is coming to me very slowly and very much with the peace. So definitely peace is approaching you and that is probably because you were trying to run and achieve peace for a very long time and then suddenly last few months you just gave up on it and you felt like oh it's probably not going to work out or you just gave up for some reason and you felt like no matter what you do it never your career never gives you what you want from it, your job never gives you, your workplace never gives you the kind of peace you want to achieve. And the reasons can be multiple, but and I think it is more specific to the people who are already working. So some of you might be approaching a job, okay? Um, do some of you have some pollen allergy? That also can be very significant. So if if you have allergy or dust allergy, then this message is definitely for you. And uh, I don't know, the time between 8 to 5 coming to me very significant. So maybe that might be your work hours. Can be night or morning, I don't know, but it's definitely something with 8 to 5. And that's how I know that it is a message related to work and mostly with people who are already working. Um, but because you have given up and now some of you might have even got very exhausted from this process, even if you guys would have tried to change the jobs that didn't give you peace. But but the message today is that peace now because you don't need the peace anymore. You are not running behind it anymore. It is approaching you very soon. The peace itself is coming to you now. Because you know that's how peace comes. peace comes, right? You have to realize this. This is not something, for some of you, the situations might have already started changing a little bit. But um, the peace doesn't live outside of you. I'm hearing something very loud noises around me. Are you also hearing that? I don't know. The loud noises is, the situation around me is trying to force me to connect to the peace within me, because there is a lot of loud noises around. And no matter what I do, I cannot stop the night things outside me, right? I cannot control those things outside me. It's about making peace within. And the peace is not about running, and you were trying to run and fetch the peace for you. And that's why you didn't get the peace for so long. And now that you have finally decided to give up, and that's why you are no more running, you are no more trying to change a lot of things to get the emotion feeling that you want for yourself. This is how you are going to feel the emotion of peace again. This is how stability comes in. Stability is not something that you can create. Stability is literally, it resides within you. The moment you decide that this is, because for each person the definition of stability is different, right? And it keeps changing in the competitive world outside, and the society has trained you to always think in the sense of competition. So even if you achieve one step in your life, you most hardly stop to celebrate it. You keep running behind the next steps. And the life is asking you to slow down. And that's why you are not feeling the peace. You have to stop, realize, and feel the stability that you have been given. So it's not just about being grateful for everything, but it's also about being at peace with yourself, with your situations. And what happens is, once you accept the situations as stability for you, and once you make peace with the present you have, it definitely brings in more happiness, more growth. And I know that when you are trying to sense that peace, you are also trying to sense the growth. But neither of them were coming to you. Because no matter what you got in your life, you kept running, you kept asking for more, you kept criticizing yourself and the things that you got in your life. And this is not how you achieve peace. This is not how you feel grateful. So the message here is literally about making peace with yourself, with your life. And once you will be able to do that, you will achieve growth. You will achieve the situations outside, and you will also start reflecting the same peace and growth. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you. And now the question a lot of times comes in, how to feel the peace, how to do that. And the best way to do that is to stop criticizing for a moment and start noticing the things within and outside you as they are, exactly as they are. Just start by noticing them without having any kind of extra layer of perception over it. Once you start noticing things quietly, the peace will approach you. You will understand that this is how life works. The nothing in life just stays the way it is, because then it is not the life anymore, right? If something doesn't fall, if something that doesn't grow, it's not life. If something is not changing, then it's not life. Okay. So just starting to notice the things as they are and accepting the everyday changes little by little will help you feel the peace while still approaching the goals. So no one is asking you to stop working, no one is asking you to stop growing, but I'm only asking you to stop, to notice a little bit. I'm asking you to stop criticizing and pause and notice what and how it is. It will definitely bring you peace. I really loved the message today because throughout the message, I myself have felt uh, this energy has given me a sense of great peace and stability. Um, and and last one more thing. This time you won't have to try to feel the peace. The peace will definitely approach you. And only if you have related to the message and signs that I gave you throughout the message, then only this message is for you. Otherwise, not every message is for everyone, right? So you can simply ignore it. But I wish you a peaceful and a stable life.